Welcome, here I've got VIVO S1 Prime and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the photo size option, so by tapping on this we can manage the camera aspect ratio. For now we are in 4:3, let's pick the full one. And let's go back to the camera to see it. As you can see, this is the full camera frame. Now let's go back to the settings in the right corner to the photo size and pick 16:9, and in the camera preview it looks like that. The next one here available in the photo size is 1:1, so we can see that this is the square one in the camera, and of course we can easily go back to the settings in the right corner to the photo size to go back to 4:3, the original one, to remind you this is how it looks like. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.